Okay, hi everyone. I have my webcam back, and so now we can do a quickie grammar lesson. The word that we're looking at today is synonym, and it's made up of two Greek root words. And the first Greek root word is syn, which means together or with. And the second Greek word is onym, which is name. So together name, or name together, or with. Along with, these things are named the same thing. Syn or sim are used in lots of words, if you can start thinking about a few. Like one is symbiotic, sim meaning together, and bio meaning life, life together. And an example of that would be like a bee and a flower, where the bee has to pollinate the flower in order for the flower to have more flowers and the bee to have honey, right? So the two are together, they're combined. Symphony, meaning together, and phony, meaning sound. Lots of sound together, a symphony. So synonym means naming the same thing together. They're not the same word, they don't sound the same, but they name the same word together. So let's look at some examples. Giant and huge. Both talk about something that's really big, right? Tired and sleepy. Both talking about how you may feel right now. Mr. Bowers and principal. Now, you may not see those as being the same apart from each other, but together they do talk about the same thing, don't they? And you can even maybe stretch the truth a little bit and say that Mr. Brower is silly. I'm sure that works. So what are we doing today? Well, in the activity, which is on page 20, which you can find in this book right here, page 20, is a crossword. And in the crossword, it doesn't tell you the things that you're looking for. It doesn't give you the exact words you're looking for. But it does tell you the types of words you're looking for. There are 5 words in this crossword that mean the same as small, little. And there are 9 words which mean the same as large. So what I would like you to do is to find those 14 total words and write them right there. When you're done, there's going to be a little mini quiz on Classroom on a Google form that I would like you to complete as well. So those are the 2 things I would like you to do for grammar, and I hope that now you know what synonyms are.